Hi, Be the Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're simplifying fractions. You might have heard it be called cancelling down, or writing a fraction in its simplest form. To accompany this video, it might be a good idea to watch our multiplication tricks playlist, where we let you in on secrets to learn the multiplication tables that your teachers don't tell you. Let's dive straight in. Let's start with something simple. Write 3/6 in its simplest form. All we need to do is find something we can divide both the top and the bottom numbers by. Taking a look at this fraction, we can divide both of these numbers by 3. This gives us 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Remember, whatever you divide the top by, you have to do the same to the bottom. Here, we have divided the top by 3, so we did the same to the bottom. Now we can't divide 1 and 2 further to get something smaller, so 1/2 is our answer. Moving on to 15/20. Using the same method as last time, we need to find something we can divide both the top and the bottom numbers by. We can divide both of these numbers by 5, giving us 3 on the top and 4 on the bottom. We can't further divide 3 and 4 by a common number to get something smaller, so 3/4 is our answer. Here's a final example before some questions. Write 56/84 in its simplest form. Both of these numbers are quite large, but since they're even, we can divide both of them by 2 to get 28/42. 28 and 42 are both even, so we can divide it by 2 again to get 14/21. Both 14 and 21 are divisible by 7. Do this to get 2/3. We can't further divide 2/3, so this is our answer. Now of course, we could have jumped directly from 56/84 to 2/3 by dividing both the top and the bottom by 28, but it's best to make lots of simple, easy steps than one big jump, because it's easier work on your brain. On to some good old questions. Write the following fractions in their simplest form. If you're up for a challenge, try answering them in 30 seconds. Starting now. Answers. Question 1. Write 9/24 in its simplest form. We can divide both the top and the bottom by 3 to get the answer of 3/8. Question 2. Write 30/90 in its simplest form. You may have used multiple steps to simplify this fraction down. In this case, we just divided everything by 30 in one go to get the answer of 1/3. Question 3. For this one, divide both the top and the bottom by 11 to get 4/7. Well done! Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Be the Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.